Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Here let's scroll and find apps. Now let's tap on manage apps, and here we've got the three dots icon, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the reset up preferences option, so tap on it. Now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and what's more, you won't lose any app data. So if you are ready, click on reset apps, and that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.